Namaskar. Your skin is not just a covering, it is actually the largest organ of your body. In fact, your skin renews itself completely every 28 to 40 days. That means almost every month. You are living in a new layer of skin. But even though your body knows how to repair and renew your skin, most people today are struggling with dullness, acne, pigmentation, and early aging. Why? Because the raw material your skin needs to repair itself is missing. And one of the most important of these raw materials is niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3. Today, let me explain why our body needs niacinamide and some natural sources to get niacinamide. And towards the end, I will also teach you to make a powerful natural homemade serum. At a molecular level, niacinamide is very small, water-soluble molecule. Because of its size, it can easily enter your skin cells and start working from within. Inside the body, niacinamide helps form two very important coenzymes, NAD plus and NADP plus. These molecules are responsible for producing energy inside your skin cells, repairing damaged skin, reducing inflammation, balancing oil production, strengthening your skin barrier. So, when your body has enough niacinamide, your skin becomes naturally healthier, clearer, and more resilient. If your diet is low in vitamin B3, your skin will keep struggling, no matter how expensive your skincare is. So now let me share with you some powerful natural sources of niacinamide that you can start including easily. First, we have peanuts. These are one of the most richest and accessible sources of vitamin B3. A small handful daily can significantly support your skin repair and improve its strength. Second is mushrooms, especially simple button mushroom. They help improve skin texture, reduce dullness, and support overall skin regeneration. Next, we have millets and brown rice. These whole grain releases niacin slowly in the body, giving our skin a steady and long-lasting supply of nourishment. Fourth is green peas. They are light, easy to digest, and full of B vitamins that help in maintaining an even skin tone. You can steam them and have them or as nice nourishing pea soup. Then we have sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are extremely powerful. Along with niacin, they provide healthy fat that deeply nourish and improve your natural glow. So understand that when your body gets right nutrition consistently, your skin glows automatically. It naturally starts repairing and balancing itself and protect itself. And now, as promised, here is a unique, natural, homemade serum that you can use to support your skin. This serum specially works with your skin's natural chemistry. What you need: 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon fermented rice water, 1 teaspoon freshly prepared flaxseed gel, 1 teaspoon nutritional yeast extract, a pinch of licorice powder, 5 to 6 drops pure rose water. To make this serum, take all ingredients and mix them well until you get a smooth, lightweight, gel-like consistency. Apply a thin layer on clean skin at night. Let it absorb fully. Wash your face gently in 10-15 minutes. Remember, you do a patch test before you use it to see that you are sure that serum suits you. This serum works very effectively because each ingredient plays role. Rice water is naturally rich in B vitamin and supports skin repair pathways. Aloe vera deeply hydrates and heals the skin. Flaxseed gel strengthens the skin barrier and improves texture. Licorice helps in reducing pigmentation and brightening the skin. Rose water soothes and calms inflammation. And the yeast extract is precursor to niacinamide. And that's why this serum supports your skin's natural ability to repair and renew itself. And always remember, your skin already knows how to glow. It just needs the right nourishment and support. So take care of your skin from within, and you will start seeing the difference that actually lasts. Namaskar.